What is your will, my master?
Hey, what's up, Brian? Fairly quick demo for you for your Saberforge Bane. Got this done this morning. Got it in the mail yesterday. This is installed with the Golden Harvest kit, the install kit that you can buy from Saberforge. So I used all those parts except for the wires that come with it. I don't like to use those. I use my own PTFE wire, and then this connector. For anybody who's seen me do this before, I don't like these connectors. Let me open this and then show you why. There we go. I don't like these connectors because of that the wire and just the way that, I mean, the overall quality of that is it's not good. So I put these CC Sabers in here for you. These are lit connectors and they work really well. Um, Originally I was going to put a custom Saber Shop 7-pin connector in there, and actually I did, but I was having trouble getting the blade to light up because I'm still fairly new to Golden Harvest. I've only done a handful of them. I was missing one thing in the config that I had to go change, which was weird because usually when I do these kits from Saberforge, they come already programmed. I just fire them right up. But I had to go in here and I had to change something. But before I did that, I thought it was the uh, the TCSS connector. So I went in and I swapped that out with this guy because I'm pretty confident these work. And this and then after I did that, this one didn't work either, and that's why I knew I had to go back to the config. But I figured it out. I'm gonna leave this in here for you because I think it's cool. It's a lot better than this guy, and this will light up your blade plug. Um, You've got, it's a one button setup, and then you've got your seedling here, your USB seedling. So this is good for charging and for data transfer. I've done it all from here. It works fine. This has the resin chassis in it. The resin chassis that came with this was a little dry. Well, it was actually really dry. It looked like it hadn't been cured properly. It was stress cracked in a lot of places, but it wasn't broken. I went ahead and I used it. It's holding in there fine. It's not going to do and it's not going to break on you, so you don't have to worry about that. You've got 28 millimeter speaker that it comes with, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, to turn this guy on from deep sleep, you just hit the activation button once, and then hit it again. So you see those are firing up like they should. Got your nice smooth swing. And you just hold it down to turn it off. And we'll throw a blade in this guy real quick. This takes a 1-inch diameter NeoPixel blade, and I think you and I talked about where to get one. I always recommend Bendu Armory. Um, that's Andrew Woods over there. He's in Idaho, and so am I, and I just think he does amazing work, and he has some very nice blades for the price. So you got that 1-inch NeoPixel blade in, and this is from Bendu Armory as well. We got good flash on clash, right? A blaster bolt deflex. You got your blade lock up. Your blade lock up. Hold it down and turn it off. And we'll hold it down and go to the next sound font. So this just has the stock font package on it. But there's quite a few fonts on here for you. Data issues complete. Just like that. So we'll take the blade out. As you can see, everything is working like it should. I already talked to you about this guy being done. You don't have to, after you take the blade out, you don't have to do anything. It goes into deep sleep. Already talked to you about this being done. So I will package this up and then get it out in the mail to you tomorrow. All right. Thanks, man.